Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Remember that there's part of life for which you are the explanation. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 99, Nasdaq up 14, S&P's down 3.5, gold contract down $2.30, traded at $1,196 an ounce. Now, bottom line with gold, folks, gold makes a run from 1070 to 1200. We hit 1200 on Monday. You back down, you get light volume. Bottom line, gold does not want to back off these highs, which is pretty intense because on a longer-term basis, gold is set up now to run to the 1392 area. On a shorter-term basis, most times that when you run, $170 one way, you're going to back down. This market here just doesn't want to back down. Silver down 16 cents, $15.28. Platinum is flat at $9.33 an ounce. You got copper down a penny at $2.01 a pound. The light sweet crude down 55 cents, $27.39 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 11 ticks, 131.21. 30-year up a full point and 14 ticks, 167.18. They both look like they're going to test the highs of Tuesday. Tuesday was the high in both of those. King dollar down 259 ticks at 95.83. King dollar is making its way down to the August 24th swing low, which is approximately the 93 to 94 level. Euro flat at 112, and the yen is trading at 113.37. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. SPY gets to a price point today of 188.34. Can't hold price. Volume contracted. You get 144 million. That sets up, guess what? You can test the lows of Monday, folks. That's how this thing is set up right now. We did 191 million shares. Coming back this quick, bottom line, more than likely, I expect what you're going to get once again is a rejection. But bottom line, this is a dangerous setup. A dangerous setup meaning that, yeah, you could blow through all of these lows. We hit the first low. On Monday, we were testing the January 20th level. Tuesday, you go sideways. We get to a higher high today and give it up on price. Enter the Index 100. We take a look at the three Qs. What you have with the three Qs is this. Three Qs also couldn't hold price. They traded up 37. They had been as high as 98.69. You had light volume, and they couldn't stay in the higher range. Bottom line is that we are at 96.69, and that can also test the lows of Monday. If we go take a look at a few of these numbers right now, Amazon just turned around and said they're going to buy back stock. Amazon closed at $4.90, up $8. That's trading up another $5 right now. And let's see. The board authorized a $5 billion buyback. We'll get our head wrapped around that in a few more seconds. Gold. Let's go over to the gold contract and take a look at gold. So this is what we have with gold. And this is as we come into the close, by the way. Gold had a low out here today of 1181. We did 157,000 contracts. We're trading 1196. You're trading right at the high. So you back down. You had slightly lighter volume, and if this launches the 1201 and you get a couple 100,000 contracts, that is going to be one monster A to B structure on the way up. It would be very unusual, I can tell you that you only go sideways for 2 days and then take off again. But guess what? This market here is a market that is highly volatile, and when you take a look at the gold market, and then we go over to the bond market, which you do have here. Bonds, the 10-year is up 10 ticks. We did 1.6 million contracts. Yesterday we did 1.9. The high of yesterday is 131.24. And then it closed at 131.10. This would be an all-time closing high right now for the 10-year. And if you're looking for mortgages, you're going to do a refinance, do it, folks, because right now the 10-year is yielding 1.68, and real estate money comes off of that 10-year. That's what you're going to be looking for, and that's how that baby shakes out. Let's go. Let's see if Tesla came out with numbers yet. Tesla closed at 143. Nope, that's trading at 143. Something just put a little juice into the NQs, however, because if we do go over and take a look at those NQs for a second, the NQs are the NASDAQ futures. The NASDAQ futures just went from NQH6. So we're at, well, they popped 10 points. So something's out there that the NQs are like, and they will close at, they close in 2 minutes. King Dollar, what do we have with King Dollar? Bottom line with King Dollar, folks, King Dollar is building cars to get into the August 24th low. King Dollar right now is trading at 95.84. That low that we're talking about out here is 93.12. You know, we'll see how it gets into it. King Dollar did 35,000 contracts, has given it up on price. You're below a swing point. When we took the swing point out, we did take it out with lighter volume. We would have needed, it was like 1,000 contracts shot. That being said, guess what? 94 is game in this baby, and I expect more than likely you're going to see it get there, and it will get there very quickly. We go up and we take a look at the 30-year bond we have with the 30-year bond right now is at all-time highs. We're at 167.17, and when you take a look at the yield on the 30-year, this is pretty amazing, actually. It's 2.5. So imagine that you're giving the government money for 30 years, and you're getting paid 2.5%. We are definitely in a low interest rate environment. That is about, and what that's all about, by the way, too, is this. You know, if you buy a treasury, the bottom line is that you're going to get your money back. That's what that is all about. People are looking to make sure that their principal comes back. That's where that whole thing comes down. We take a look at the Dow Industrials, what we have in the Dow Industrials. The Dow, by the way, is the only indice thus far that really hasn't cracked into the January 20th swing area that dramatically. On Monday, it got into it, but it rejected it very quickly. The Dow right now is trading at 15,914. You stay right there, folks. We're coming back with a lot of numbers for you. Dow Industrials finished down 99, NASDAQ up 14, S&P's down $1.50. We're going to be right back.